we've got to be quiet. But good morning. We're just heading down for breakfast. So it's about probably about 7:45 now. We're heading down for breakfast and see what it's all about.
Yes, this week's episode we're going to head to the beautiful Albanian Alps. I'm so excited.
Theth
National Park.
Theth.
That's how you pronounce it.
That's it, we're all packed.
Time to say goodbye to this lovely hotel.
Nice views, city views, but we're going to mountain views. We're going to head down to the car now and then we're going to be on the road for 2 hours to Theth
National Park.
I will find out how it's pronounced.
Theth.
Off we go.
The Albanian Alps, here we come.
Going down.
So that's it, we've checked out of the hotel and now we're going to hit the road. I'm pretty excited. I've heard nothing but good things about Theth National Park. So if you're coming up north Albania to the national parks, Skoda is like a great base or great stopover on the way to national parks. Like the gateway to the Albanian Alps. And then from here it's only a 2-hour drive to actual the national park where we're going to spend the next couple of nights. Which I can't wait. Traffic here. Alright there, Mr. Moo. Oh. Look at these, the pigs. Next traffic on the road, local traffic is a horse. Really? Not moving? No. Okay, you stay stood there, that's fine. You're alright? Yep, don't mind us. Car for the week. Just lovely up here. There is snow over there on the mountains. Local traffic, a stray dog. A lot of local traffic, a donkey. Eat up. Right there. Dirt track. All the way to hotel now.
We've made it to our room in Theth National Park.
Look at this. This is my favourite seat. The lovely view out there.
Lovely view of the mountains.
Gorgeous.
We're going to head out for a walk shortly. We're just going to have some snacks for lunch. Yeah?
I'm going to go see a waterfall. Little pretty waterfall.
Lovely.
Microphone on. Right, we're going to get out for a little walk to Grunas Waterfall. I'm probably pronouncing that completely wrong, but it's a very famous waterfall in the area. It's only like, is it a 20-minute walk from here? So.
Starting the short half-an-hour route, 30 minutes we believe, to the waterfall.
Grunas Waterfall, or Theth, it's also called Theth Waterfall, so you can call it either.
Theth Waterfall.
So someone just asked me, which way is it? Which way is it, Alex? Couldn't make the writing big enough. Look, it's beautiful. So happy.
We're on the short walk to the waterfall, just surrounded by mountains. As you can see, in the river. I think we're following the river, which ultimately leads to the waterfall.
Oh my god.
As long as you follow those markers, the route is quite clearly marked, so you won't get lost. Not far from the waterfall now, maybe 10-15 minutes. Keep your eyes open because the route's either got signs or markers. So obviously that was a sign for the waterfall and that's where we're trying to head. So that's the way that we went. So keep your eye out. The waterfall behind me. There, someone's having to climb.
A bed! It's just shut on me. Yeah, I'm not happy. It's a good job I've got lights to the rescue. That better give them some good luck.
Short walk to the waterfall, short walk back. Someone's going to be feeling lucky the rest of the night.
Better do.
A bit of shot on your nose as well. We're going to start a small walk back towards the guest house now.
It's a lovely waterfall this, guys. Get yourself here, you're in the area. Oh, can't believe that. Right, come on then. I'm getting hungry. We've got tea cooked for us for 5:30. So start making our way back.
We're down from the waterfall, meandering our way through some woods at the minute.
It's back to the humid air.
What she said?
Yes.
Which was wrong, it's humid air.
It was lovely near the falls, wasn't it? Really refreshing.
Yeah, it was.
Well,
we're just meandering through some woods.
It's a lovely little walk.
Following the path back to the hotel / guest house.
If we have time, we might go see the famous church.
I don't think we have time for it.
Oh, we won't have time today. Maybe tomorrow then.
Maybe tomorrow. We're here for 2 nights.
On next week's episode, maybe.
We're here for 2 nights.
All right. Oh, Jesus. Oh.
Not far now. Well, we're back. Scores on the doors, it was 3 miles to the waterfall and back. Hello.
This driver actually saved that. I think it's a bit country safe or something. I don't know.
Right, I didn't catch a word of that. Well, we're going to get ourselves in and freshen up a little bit, and then we've got a couple of hours before tea.
Chill.
So relax and chill, and then tea time.
Yeah, we're going to go look at Theth Village tomorrow, aren't we?
Sounds like a plan.
After we've been for a walk to the Blue Eye.
Good idea.
We'll have next week's episode.
Oh, every time.
Oh my god, you've got to really turn the keys over here. Home sweet home. I love this room so much. Ah, look at that.
We're heading down for dinner.
Or a dinner date.
We don't know what to expect.
Some local cuisine. I decided I want one of these in my garden, please, at home. Sit on this all day long. Waiting for the food. Fried aubergine, got rice, olives, cheese, cucumbers, some meat, some of the pastry thing they have here, potatoes, cabbage. Looks delicious.
Fucking room after a lovely meal.
Yes, all freshly cooked Albanian food. There's just so much of it, we couldn't eat it all, and now we feel a bit bad leaving some of it because it's all been like hand cooked for us.
Absolutely. Very nice.
And then you got yourself some local beer.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So we will we'll leave you here and catch up with us tomorrow, next week. Do another little jaunt. We're going to have a little walk into the village.
We're going to go to the Blue Eye Falls.
The Blue Eye Falls, there you go. See you then.
See you on next week's episode, guys. Bye.